Let it get go. Let it get go. Let it get go. Let it get go. In the heart of Madagascar, where the skies are blue and bright, craftsmen work with steady hands. From morning until night, they prepare the sand and melt the metal in their humble home. Not in factories, but in tradition, where their skills have grown. Madagascar, hear the rhythm and the rhyme, crafting metal treasures find through the sands of time. With molten metals glowing bright, they forge with love and care, creating art and tools alike in the island air. Madagascar, in a rhythm and a rhyme, crafting metal treasures find through the sands of time. Madagascar, with molten metals glowing bright, they forge with love and care, creating art and tools alike in the island air. In the villages by the fireside, the artisans will stay, shaping figurines and treasures in the olden way. Metal melts and takes its form, cooled by gentle hands, creating items strong and true across this ancient land. Madagascar, hear the rhythm and the rhyme, crafting metal treasures find through the sands of time. With molten metals glowing bright, they forge with love and care, creating art and tools alike in the island air. Madagascar, hear the rhythm and the rhyme, crafting metal treasures find through the sands of time. Madagascar, with molten metals glowing bright, they forge with love and care, creating art and tools alike in the island air. In every crafted piece, there's a story to be told, of tradition, love, and artistry more precious than gold. From the sand and fire to the objects they reveal, Madagascar's metal crafting forever will feel. Madagascar, hear the rhythm and the rhyme, crafting metal treasures find through the sands of time. With molten metals glowing bright, they forge with love and care, creating art and tools alike in the island air. So let's sing from Madagascar and the crafts they proudly make, for the hands that shape the future with every breath they take. From the home to the hearth in the traditional way, Madagascar's heart and soul in every piece today. Madagascar, in the rhythm and the rhyme, crafting metal treasures find through the sands of time. With molten metals glowing bright, they forge with love and care, creating art and tools alike in the island air. Madagascar, 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 Madagascar.